On our last episode, the Philippine Constructors Association welcomed us to this year's Philconstruct, an event that showcases the best and the newest in the construction industry. This week, we take another round with executive producer John Aguilar to find and take a closer look at some of the most unique products and services available.
Usually, when you build a pool, usually use tiles, but in this case, you're using something different. You have a new product.
Yes. What we're using is actually bead-free, very friendly on the skin. It has a spa feel to it, highly reflective. It can create a seamless pattern on your pool. So you can basically just design your own. If you notice a tile, it's actually, it's laminated. So once, after a time, the laminate
sometimes wears off.
Comes off.
Right.
And it cuts your skin. You end up with, having to demolish it and redo the entire pool. How we do it is we can always take that out and put it back in. Even if assuming, it gets abraded, you have a 9 mm thickness of the same thing all throughout.
Okay. Let's talk about this metal house that you have here.
Probably the most advanced metal in our country. The metal is high tensile, lightweight, and galvanized. Easier to construct, more durable, and the problem with anay would be eliminated. We can pre-cut, pre-drilled. Ang kailangan lang malaman ng kukuha ng products namin is marunong gumamit ng drill. Ang direction namin is to provide yung market ng metal na you build it yourself.
You build it yourself. You build a house made of metal yourself.
Yes.
This is the Easy Set system. It's a modular integrated formworking system made of aluminum panels. To make it very simple, it's a mold for a house. You assemble the equipment, you pour concrete in it, and then once the concrete is cured and sufficiently hardened, when you remove the formwork, basically you have a shell of a house that includes all the windows, doors, architectural features, etc. It's a time saver. So you can actually build a complete structural shell of a house in one day. This system actually can use 1,000 to 2,000 times. Creates no waste. This is 100% aluminum. Aluminum is one of the most recyclable materials in the entire world.
Right.
So even at the end of its life, it can be recycled and turned into something else.
How many companies are using this already in the Philippines?
For one, is Makati Development Corporation is using it for the Point Tower and West Tower project in the port. They're very happy to use it, and they're placed more orders for this product for their other future jobs.
Okay.
We are into construction finishing material. We cater to wall and floor coverings. We carry porcelain tiles. This tile is specially for architect and interior designer. What we call the Phantom tiles. It's very easy to mix and match. From the light gray to the dark gray. We also have the light beige to dark beige. We also have the Teclan tiles from Spain. This tile is very special, very new in the market. It comes with a big tile like 1 meter by 3 meters for wall and floor cladding.
Reality is a European brand, and our partnership with IDS design company center can offer you a very unique product here in Philippines. For this collection called Riviera, which is a unique feature is we call it the Hydro Plus, meaning that the water resistant. If you see a water drops on the floor, then you immediately normally wipe it out. But we have a test to prove that this can resist 72 hours.
Overwhelmed and impressed by these building and construction innovations, we continue to scout for more, this time for the latest in home furnishing and technology.
Our product is for the finishing part of the construction. Any part of the house, we can customize it. We will come in for the kitchens, wardrobes, for the doors, and for moldings. These are the products that you don't usually buy from Home Depot. Because from Home Depot, usually is a standard size. From here, we can customize for your every requirement. Majority of the kitchen maker, they usually only use melamine board, MDF, and particle board. But for us, we can customize using solid wood as the cabinet door and the carcass of the kitchen.
This year, we've celebrated 50 years of presence in the Philippines and also 110 years of cooling worldwide. Carrier 23XRV Evergreen Screw Chiller, which has the highest efficiency among water-cooled screw chillers because of its built-in variable frequency drive. It's a choice for green buildings. 23XRV has also been used in buildings with 24/7 applications such as hotels, call centers, and broadcast studios. For residential applications, we also have the Carrier Optima. It can save you as much as 12,000 pesos a year in electricity versus conventional competitive air conditioners.
EBI is a pro audio and audiovisual integration company. Right now we have a simulated home automation system to automate your home or your office audiovisual equipment, including the lightings, into one central remote control. Then Lutron is a lighting company. It's a dimming control system. It takes control of your lighting. The last one is the ad notam, what we call a magic mirror. Behind the mirror is a TV. Once the TV is turned off, you'll see a seamless mirror in front of you.
We are the known supplier for quality brand, most of them pretty high-end. My other partner is Henry C. of the Ace Hardware. We've been working for it for almost 21 years, if I believe so. We have 106 Ace Hardware stores. I think the developer have to upgrade. They can no longer use the low-cost housing product to the high-rise building.
Right, so it's important to use really good quality products.
Of course, hopefully the industry will have to monitor themselves and to give quality product to consumer. Consumer right now deserve the best, and that surely will create a buzz if we have that product in the market today.
It's been a very interesting day here at Philconstruct, and as always, this event never fails to give people a bird's eye view of the latest in construction here in the Philippines. Now, this is just a start because next week, actually in a couple of days, I'll be going to what is probably the biggest convention and expo in North America on green technologies and the latest in sustainable materials. And that's Green Build, and it's going to be held in San Francisco. So I hope you join us there. It's going to be a blast.